Hello everybody, today I'm back with another recipe, a dry fruit and banana milkshake. We will obviously be needing some bananas. We're going to be using some dates, cashews, some dried up figs, any raisins that you have, almonds and cardamom powder, along with milk and honey. To make this milkshake, first of all, you need to soak all your dry fruits in warm water for 2 to 3 hours. We've done this in advance. This is how it looks. We're going to start off by adding a little bit of our dry fruits along with some milk and blend it together. Dry fruits are rich in vitamins and proteins. They also boost immunity and prevent lifestyle diseases such as cholesterol and diabetes. And to your surprise, they are an excellent and healthy substitute for daily snacks. After repeating this procedure for all our soaked dry fruits, we're going to check for any lumps. And then we're going to start adding all our other ingredients. We're going to add our banana, cardamom powder, honey, which is optional, and finally our milk, depending on how thick or thin you want your milkshake to be. And now we're going to blend everything. It's ready now, and it's at the consistency we would like it to be. So now it's time for serving.